Hi, I thought I'd jump on the rainbow open tag from Jake at Uncommon EDC. So this is to have one knife of each colour. So Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and share them with the community. So I'll do my best. I don't have as many knives as some people, so I've used a little bit of artistic license. Starting with the red. Here is the CRKT peeler. This is the Heine Haynes version and it's in this really nice red. It is a one-handed open and it has this really chunky blade. I love it a lot. I also like the finger choil there so you can get a good grip and there's no chance of it closing on your hand. So that's the CRKT peeler. Next, I've got the RB5 from Real Steel. Now, there's a great story behind this. This was given to me by my good friend Retro Stew from the Discord community. He won it in a giveaway from Slippy, Slipjoint Sawyer. It's a really nice knife, this. So, a modern version of a Barlow and one of Real Steel's best. Really feels nice in the hand. It has a pocket clip that's fairly light. It carries tip up as well, but a nice blade shape. I quite like the swedge on the top and the nice oversized nail nick. So that's my orange, the RB5. Next, and you might have seen my other video on this, I'll put a link in the description. This is the Opinel DIY, or in French, bricolage. It's a number 9 Opinel in this lovely yellow handle. It also has a hex driver and 2 bits, one flathead, one Phillips, with the usual locking ring. It's also got these 2 notches here, so it can be used as an electrician's knife for wire cutting and wire stripping. I really like the blade shape on this, much more than the normal Opinels. If you've watched some of my other videos, I'm not a huge fan. But this one came really sharp. It's a nice thin blade, a super slicer. That's the Opinel Bricolage or DIY. For green, I've got this lovely case knife. So this is a swayback jack in sea green bone. It's vintage 2011 and I got it as a new old knife. It was new in box. I got it at the Sharp Show in the UK last year. It was one of the late Rob Cutting's knives that he was selling. So this is quite a nice one, as you can see here, and it's got a really nice blade. I'm not a huge fan of the etching, but I really like the Warncliffe. It has a nice walk and talk. And then it has a second blade, which is a pen blade. But the shape's really nice. It's nice to hold. I'm sure it'd be good for whittling. And a really nice fit and finish case at their best. So that is the swayback jack in sea green bone. Now for my blue, I'm going to cheat a little bit, and this is a Lumintop EDC01 flashlight. So I've lost my Midnight Manager that was blue, so I'm putting this in as a replacement until I can find it. So if you have this a bit as an IOU on the blue knife. Now for indigo, I've got this, which is a sort of a purplish, violetish sort of blue. This is the Twisted Assisted Best Tech Tulip. It's a lovely little flipper knife and very fidgety, but also great to use. And when you're holding it, you get 3 good fingers on there. And when you hold it, that blade's not going to go anywhere. A really nice sharp edge. Bit of a swedge on the top as well, and a clip on the other side. So again, a tip up carry, but super fidgety. Also super sharp, and it does have a tendency to bite if you're not watching what you're doing. So that is the twisted assisted tulip. And then finally, well, I don't have indigo. This is, you know, if you use a bit of imagination, this could be indigo. Sorry, this could be violet. It's the Imperial Sodbuster. And it's pretty black, but in the right light, it could look violet. This is a fantastic work knife, typical Sodbuster shape. And I'd love this. I use this a lot. Really simple, nice brass liners, and you can see the Imperial stamp on there. So, short video. I wanted to jump on the open tag. I hope you like my choice. Feel free to comment. All comments are welcome. And why not check out this playlist over here or this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.